Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create a YouTube channel on Chromebook. So guys, what you have to do first, open your Google Chrome on your Chromebook, and after that go to YouTube, youtube.com. This is the official website. Go to YouTube as you can see here guys, and after that click send and button on the top right corner. Then enter your account details, card donation and information. After that guys, create your YouTube channel, and once sign up, click your profile picture in the top right corner, select create channel from the drop down menu and choose the create channel using your name and custom name, then add your profile pictures. After that, step 3 guys, customize your channel. On your channel click customize channel, and you can add a banner, and you can add your description and add section for your video. So this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.